Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Exness to TradingView on mobile. While many traders wish for direct integration, it's important to understand that Exness does not natively support direct trading through TradingView's platform. Exness operates mainly on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. However, you can still use these powerful tools together for a seamless trading experience. To begin, make sure you have both an active Exness trading account and a TradingView account. Download and install the Exness MetaTrader mobile application, either MT4 or MT5, on your device. This will be your primary platform for placing and managing trades. Simultaneously, install the TradingView mobile app, which you will use for all your charting and in-depth market analysis. Once your accounts are ready, use the TradingView mobile app for all your market analysis. Leverage its advanced charting tools, indicators, and drawing features to identify potential trade setups. After you've thoroughly analyzed the market and determined your entry and exit points, simply switch over to your Exness MetaTrader mobile application to execute your trades manually. This two-step process ensures precision. For advanced users, third-party services like Webhook Trade can bridge TradingView alerts to your Exness MetaTrader account for automated execution. This combined approach allows you to benefit from TradingView's exceptional charting and analysis capabilities, alongside Exness's reliable trade execution. It offers a flexible and powerful setup, giving you robust market insights and efficient trade management on your mobile device.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.